gentleman from
Thank you.
Misamis Oriental.
Thank you, Mr. President. To be fair to the defense side, Your Honor, I move to strike out the testimony of Mrs. Heidi Mendoza, who was irregularly presented yesterday.
Any objection? The chair is none. The motion is approved. Strike it out from the record.
Thank you, Your
Mr.
Honor.
President, the court is now ready for the continuation of the cross-examination of the Honorable Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales. She is here.
Wala pa yata. Ito na. Oh.
Madam Ombudsman, will please bear with us. We do not want to overburden you, but you are familiar with our judicial procedures, sit down, and we have to continue if the prosecution would want to continue their cross-examination.
Yes, Your Honor.
Prosecution,
With your permission, Mr. President.
proceed.
Good afternoon, Madam
Good afternoon.
Ombudsman. Would you want to continue with the power presentation yesterday?
Sure, Your Honor.
PowerPoint presentation yesterday?
Yes, Your Honor.
With your permission, Mr. President.
Yes.
Can I have my copy of the PowerPoint?
Are you going to continue? Are
Yes.
you asking that the power presentation be continued?
Yes,
Yes,
Your Honor.
Granted.
Thank you.
Yeah. May I invite the attention of the parties and, of course, the senator judges to what appears on the screen. It refers to summary of U.S. inflows of covered transaction from April 14, 2003 to December 22, 2011. The BPI Tandang Sora account number 8104 is $3,513,348.47. The BPI Tandang Sora account number 1842 is $516,130.47. The BPI also Tandang Sora account number 5939 in the amount of $1,331,501 pesos and $501.43 cents. Then the ABC or Allied Banking Corporation Camias account number 2676 the amount of $2,940,850.58, and the subtotal is $8,301,830.95. You add this to the miscellaneous accounts in the amount of $3,853,519.91 to bring a total of $12,155,350.86. Where did you justify on yesterday?
Saan po?
Saan i-continue na natin? Tapos na po.
Kasalukuyan pong itinutuloy ni Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales ang kanyang PowerPoint presentation dito sa na naumpisahan niya kahapon patungkol dito sa ulat na natanggap niya mula sa AMLAC. Ito yung naglalaman nga ng mga transaksyon ng mga dollar accounts ng punong mahistrado.
8104 in 2007. Hindi. Okay. Let me explain that the total of $12 million plus a while ago was arrived at by deducting or totaling the inflows and totaling the outflows, and it would appear that the outflows would be bigger than the inflows, which means the withdrawals would be bigger than the amount of inflows. We used a conservative analysis where if there are double, triple, or multiple entries of the same amount, we would exclude those from the dollar computation and would include only the last figure in the end of the cycle. For example, there's this mother deposit account A. Then so much or the same amount on the same date is transferred to account B. Then again, on the same date, the same amount is transferred to another account, account C. Then finally, for the fourth entry, the same amount on the same date, it is transferred to account C or E. So it is only the last figure in the last account where the cycle stops that is included in the computation. And so when we arrived at $12 million plus as transactional balance, we did not include the so many entries that appeared on the same date. And as I said, we only included those figures that ended in the last end of the cycle.
These are not the 12 million plus dollars mentioned for 2006, was it?
For us of December 11, Your Honor.
Yes.
These are transactional balances.
Yeah, these are transactional balance.
Yes.
That is not a
Account
yearly
balances.
and annual ending balance.
No, Your Honor, it comprehended the entire amount of transactions number of transactions from 2003 to December 2011.
But there was no amount recorded regarding the actual balance remaining in the mother account as of the end of December 31st, 2011.
It would be difficult to compute, but we tried also to determine by, let's say, in 2011, the remaining 2008. Yes. In 2008, there was a deposit of 768,733.96. This refers to the BS Bank, Katipunan branch, and it was withdrawn only on December 15, 2012. That yielded December 15, 2012, and that yielded 2011 rather. I'm sorry. And that yielded a balance of $769,681.71. That is only with respect to one BS Bank Katipunan account branch number 091910000373. This is just one account.
Is there any record of any balance of this mother account as of the end of November 2011?
December, Your Honor.
Not,
November.
the month, the 11th month of the year.
We can presume the same balance, Your Honor, because it moved only in December.
I will put the
2011.
question this in
Yes.
another form. What was the total amount withdrawn in the month of December from the mother account?
December 2011, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes. $769,681.71. So we presume that in
$769,000.
yes, $681.71.
Yes.
So we presume that your question earlier, Your Honor, if what was the amount withdrawn in November
So,
2011?
That was the amount withdrawn in the month of December.
Yes, Your Honor,
So
from the same account which was opened in October 31, 2008.
All right. This, Counsel.
All right. No coaching.
You may continue, Madam.
Yes, Your Honor. I think we are now in account number 8104 2007. On July 9, 2007, there was a withdrawal from account number 8104, the amount of $295,665.42. The succeeding month, or in August 9/07, there was a deposit of $728.99. Now, on July 19, 2007, there was a withdrawal of $20,000, and on August 23, 2007, there was a deposit from account number 2693 to the mother account 8104. On July 27, 2007, there was a withdrawal from the mother account in the amount of $100,000, which was deposited in another account, 2804. And on August 31, 2007, there was a deposit of $100,000, 494.69. On August 23, 2007, there was a withdrawal of $20,076.44 to a different account, 3183193. And on September 3, 2007, there was a deposit to the mother account in the amount of $20,000. I think this reads 682